Good afternoon. Welcome to Monday's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for November 30th through December 12th. November 30th to the 4th. Forecasting rather flat zone of flow across much of the nation here with near to above normal heights. We have a trough here, and we also have a area of strong positive height anomalies over Greenland and the high latitudes of the North Atlantic. Precipitation during this period is for the east central states. Heavy precipitation is forecast for the west, with the highest amounts in the northwest, leading to higher elevation snows. December 3rd to the 7th. Here at the 3rd, the pattern doesn't change very much. Still have a zone of flow, strong positive height anomalies here, trough here, and we go through the models or go through the days. We come to the 7th, we don't see much of a change. Take a look at the models. This is the European deterministics, kind of splits the flow with a trough here. And this is European ensembles showing the same thing. And then we look at the NAEFS, more of a flat flow near to above normal heights. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for the northwest, and forecasting anomalies to be about 4 to 6 degrees below normal, and above normal temperatures are forecast for the remainder of the nation, with anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation for Northern California and Northwest. And areas here in the lighter brown has an occurrence of 30% or less, and the areas in darker brown are 50% or more of occurrence. We're also forecasting below normal precipitation for the eastern Gulf Coast states, southeast, and the lower mid-Atlantic, with the probability occurrence of 30% or less. And we have above normal precipitation forecast for this area here, with the probability of occurrence is 30 to 50%. We're going to look now at the period for December 8th to the 12th. And here we're forecasting changes to occur. Here we are at the 8th. We have our strong area positive anomalies here, leading to a trough here, a ridge here in the west, and a trough in the east. And during this time frame, the AO and the NAO forecast to be negative, and the PNA is forecast to be positive. Can't talk. Hold on a second. The EPO is also forecast to be negative. There'll be also a stratospheric warming event occurring, but it still remains to be seen how the Arctic air will be distributed. Some models are bringing it to the other side of the pole and not on our side of the pole, so we got to see how that comes. So we're looking at the rest of the days. We're coming to the 12th. This is a GFS. Very strong positive height anomalies here. Deep trough, here's our upward low. And then we take a look at the other models. You can see they're in pretty good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures for the west and for the plains, with the anomalies 6 degrees above normal and below normal. And below normal temperatures are forecast mainly east of the Mississippi River, with the numbers of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the Central Great Basin and portions of the Southwest, the eastern Gulf Coast states, Southeast and lower Mid-Atlantic, with the probability of 30% or less of occurrence. And here I'm forecasting above normal precipitation for the Southern Plains, the Middle and Lower Mississippi Valley. And I'm forecasting the chance of above normal precipitation is 50% in this area. So that's a long-range weather forecast discussion for November 30th through December 12th. Thanks for coming to Monday's World of Weather, and have a good day.